Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Big Ben, and today we are going to just go over the charts. I'm gonna show you some live trades, show you guys what's possible. Last time I actually went live on my live stream, we talked about how the poor, the poor people, or poor people in general, they stay poor because they don't know how to make money in a recession. So even if you make money during the recession, you lose it all because you might lose your job and you have to dig in your savings, and just a whole bunch of things might happen. You might retire when the market is crashing and your 401k is not doing good. So multiple things could happen, and you guys really have to understand how to make money in a recession. Me personally, I love to follow the rich. These guys know how to make money, and those guys, they actually make money during the recession. So we're going to go over a couple of trades today, show you guys what's possible, why I love the recession. Some of you guys don't even know how to navigate through a recession, but I love it. I love when the market is crashing. Okay, so right now I'm actually taking care of my daughter right now, as you probably hear her in the background. But so I'm going to pause this, show you guys some trades, and we're gonna go and we're gonna do it that we're gonna pause it, show you guys some trades, pause it, because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's pause it, and I'm gonna look for some trades. The market is about to open up in a couple of minutes, so I'm gonna pause it and look for some trades. So guys, right now I'm in this trade right now. So what I'm gonna do is pause it and look for a target real soon. Okay, guys, so I got out that trade real quick. We look at the P&L, $400 on that trade. Usually, I just pause it because sometimes these trades take so long, so that's why I pause it. But I actually got the profit off that, was pretty good. I definitely wanted to hold this. I wish I actually held, but it is the morning time. I got my quick 1-to-1. If you don't know what a 1-to-1 is, it's basically whatever you're risking, you're just getting that. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna look for more trades, keep you guys updated, and we go from there. All right. And if you guys wondering why I took the trade, I mean, it's obvious, guys. I mean, basically we're going up. It's an uptrend. I only go with the trend, so there's no reason for me to sell this right now, actually, because the market is not going down. Okay. Similar to Bitcoin, I see a lot of people buying the dips with Bitcoin, and you don't want to do that. Okay, you definitely don't want to do that. It's a time to buy dips, and that's only when the market is going bullish. But when the market is bearish like that, you really have to know what you're doing and wait for a good signal. So let's pause this, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. All right, real quick, guys. So basically, right now we see a major pullback. So now, if this thing continues to go down, okay, I have permission to look for shorts. Okay, that's the only time when the trend change, I have to change with the trend. This is how I was able to actually make money in 2018 with Bitcoin. And most people lost because they wasn't going with the trend. So that's what day trading is all about. You have to go with the trend. You have to see high quality setups. You have to be patient. Okay, you got to be like a sniper, just waiting for that high quality setup. So let me pause this and let me see if they're gonna give me some shorting opportunities. Okay, guys, right now I'm in the short. Right now, I see a nice little short going on. It might not, most likely I might get stopped out. It looks like it, but I like that short opportunity. They were selling it a lot, and I took a short. So I'm in the short right now. Let's see if we're gonna get stopped out. But I'm definitely looking for a quick winner on this trade. But if I get stopped out, it is what it is. So let me pause this and let me keep you guys updated. All right, so this thing is going back and forth. So we might get stopped out on this. Which is okay. I'm waiting for something. So that's why I keep on pausing because sometimes these trades can actually last 10 minutes or more. So I don't want the video to be too long, but it looks like you're trying to get some profit right now. So okay, so it looks pretty good right now. I'm looking to get some profits off this. So I'm going to pause this real quick, or let me see if I. All right, there we go. There we go. All right. So that's $800, guys. Right now, I'm up $800. It is a 6-minute video. I think I want it that way, but it's only $9.59. I'm going to continue to trade, but you know, some of you guys have to understand. Actually, let me pause this video and I want to show you guys something real quick. Okay, guys, let me show you something real quick. This is one of my students. Yeah, so let me show you a couple of my students real quick. Right now, this is Rob right here. He don't come to the Discord that much because he has another business on the side. But basically, he wrote something like yesterday, and he's saying he's making easily 1,000 to 2,000 a day now from my strategies. And he said, I really cannot believe we came across Ben, and he has potentially changed our lives. So shout out to him. I have, you know, a lot of students actually doing real good. I have Chris D. He actually said, I've been live for 5 days and I made 1,100 actually, and made $300 today. So basically, a lot of these guys are averaging $200 to $300 a day. This is actually one of my other students. He's actually on a demo. Actually, for some reason, I screenshot the wrong one. But the screenshot I actually want to put up there is he actually made $1,000 on a demo. Another student of mine's Swazzer, this was yesterday, he actually made $262 profit, and you know, these guys are doing real good. I'm proud of these guys. Okay, and this is what you guys really have to understand, that there's money out here. And I don't want you guys to continue to work that 9 to 5, okay? Because that's my end goal. I want to make 6-figure traders, and I want you guys to eventually quit your job. And the reason why I'm making this video today is because, just to touch on what we were talking about last live stream, is you guys really have to learn how to make money in a recession. Some of you guys really don't understand what's really going on, okay? You guys think it's that day trading is risky or anything like that. And the reason why you guys think like that, because you've been brainwashed, okay? The rich, these guys are doing this daily. They have traders every single day. Goldman Sachs, any bank have all these traders trading their capital, making money every single day, okay? So what's going to separate you from the rich or from these other poor people is not from the rich, but from the poor people, is actually making money during a recession. Okay, we talked about this in my last live stream. You guys really have to learn how to make money during a recession. Okay, the stock market is crashing. I'm loving it. I still make money. It doesn't matter if if Bitcoin goes down to $100, I can still make money. You guys really have to understand that concept, because if you don't, you're going to get stuck, or you're going to be stuck in a long bear market that could last at least 10 to 15 or even more. I know some of you guys really don't understand that there's no way possible it could last that long. Well, none of you guys never been through anything. You never been through a recession. You never been through a depression. So I don't want to hear none of that stuff. So anyway, talk to you guys later. If you want to have more information on this, is the first link below. You can check that out. I don't know when I'm going to do another live stream. So, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys.